to do a TK Minute on the third dance in the Argentine family, Milonga. So the last basic difference between Milonga and the other dances is that there is no cross in Milonga. We can dance a forced cross in the case of a particular step or pattern or rhythmic indication. But in the basic movement itself, there is no cross. Now, why is that? It's simply because of the movement of the dance. The movement is not gliding or moving across the floor, as in valse or tango, but it is this pushing, pulsing, hovering kind of dance. So it is completely unnatural to try to cross in that fashion. So there really is no cross in the dance. What do you do instead? A simple walk through. Those are the basics in Milonga. Practice those three things: the movement itself, the difference in the counting, although it's still ones and threes. Practice your syncopation in ones and threes, and make certain that there is no cross in the basic.